It's Spectre.
You're back, girl. You're back. Anyways, hi, my name is Destiny Joy. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for clicking on my video. If you haven't seen me before, make sure you look down, hit that subscribe button, make sure you like and comment. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to clip in your hair extensions. This hair is from Foxy. I've been using them since I was in high school, which is like 10 years ago, girl, a long time ago. So I've been using them since high school and I love their hair, and I wear my clip-ins in between styles, or if I want a quick hairstyle, I'll definitely put my clip-ins in because it's giving everything I need. Like, it's giving inches, it's giving stiff wear, not here, because yeah. This hair is so nice, it's so soft, and it really doesn't shed at all. Like, this is really good hair. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I clip in my hair, how I would wear it. Usually I would wear it like this, a middle part, but you could also do more styles with clips and adjust them to the different hairstyles that you wanna do. You could even do a ponytail, girl, yes. But yeah, I just love this hair, and I'm gonna stop talking now and we are gonna get straight into the video. So you guys see how it's like short right here and then long down here? That means I know that it goes on this side, because I like when it has layers because it kind of blends in with my real hair, see? This is my hair, and the first layer starts like just about where my hair is. So it's gonna blend. like the shortness right here. You put the piece as close as you can to the front. And now it blends in. See the difference? I know you do, girl. I know. So then I just brush through my hair. I always keep pressure on the clips because sometimes when it's a little tangle, it pulls the clips out. So I put my hair on the clips, my hand on the clips, so they don't come out. And then I just go over it with my straightener one more time. So this is what it looks like. I have a couple extra pieces too. Two one pieces. And then I also have another 2-piece. So I do have extra hair, and then you can put it, you can put them in your hair. I just decide not to because this hair is kind of thick and heavy. This is how long it goes down on me. That's what it looks like from the back. So if my hair didn't blend, my real hair didn't blend like right here, I would just go ahead and add this 2-piece in. And this one's not layered, so it will be the same length as everything else. But let me show you how I would do that. And that's how I would fix that. And then just brush it out. Like, this hair is so thick, I don't think you guys understand. And then when I used to do my hair, I didn't like my hair to show right here, my real hair. So then I would add one of these 1-pieces right under here, so you wouldn't be able to see it. But I'm not gonna do that today. And then I had a ponytail, so my hair broke off, and I have flyaways now, so this is what I do for that. Get my Got To Be glue and just go on my hands. And then just lay it down. And then those are just little flyaways. Like, you can see on camera, but in real life you really can't see. So this is the final look. Yes, girl. Period. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love this hair. It's so thick and it blends really well with my hair. Like, you can't even tell. And this looks like a fresh sewing, girl. A fresh one. So yeah, this is what I would do in between styles. Yeah, I love this hair. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, I'm planning to do a makeup tutorial and more hairstyles, because you can do more hairstyles with these clips. So if you guys like this video, comment down below. I just want to say thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And we are out of here, y'all.